Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the CLK here that we have at the shop, and we'll show you guys how to remove and replace, or if you want to put carbon fiber or something, that mahogany trim on the door panels. It will be the same for the driver and passenger side as well. You know that should cover the years from 97 all the way until 2003 model. We're talking about this one here. So you need to remove the door panel guys. If you don't know how to do that, we have the video on the channel, please check it out. So once you remove the door panel now, we have those plastic retainers there, okay? So you need to just pull those out, but wear eye protection because they tend to fly sometimes. They're spring loaded and you don't want one to get in your eye. Okay, you can see how many we have. So far 3, working on the third one. Sometimes they'll get stuck pretty good. 4th right there. So once you remove those guys, it will be super easy. We're almost ready, and you'll be able to pull that mahogany trim out, as you can see, like that. So now if you want to do some custom work to it, you can see it's very easy, very convenient. As you can see, this one has some damage, so we need to glue that thing right here. And when you're ready guys to install it, okay, you need to squish those in. Let us show you. Squish them like that, flatten them, so that way they will lock really good when you install them, and the trim will not be loose, because otherwise it might be loose. So when you're ready to install it, you just make sure you get it in, and you need to push those retainers all the way in, one by one, and you need to hold it from the back side with your hand, so that way you can get it tight, because if you don't, it will be loose and it will rattle and it will not look good at all. You can help it a little bit with the pliers, okay, to press them down. Okay, perfect, just like that. So that's the whole procedure guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.